In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Moomoo ETF. If you're new to ETFs, think of them as a basket of many stocks that you can purchase in one trade. For example, an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 lets you own a slice of hundreds of large US companies at once. The best part is, on Moomoo, ETFs trade just like regular stocks, so the process is familiar and fast. First, open and fund your account. Log into the Moomoo app and make sure you have cash available to invest. If you're depositing money, follow the deposit prompts in the app and give it a little time to clear, depending on your funding method. It helps to check your available buying power before you place any order so you know exactly what you can spend. Keeping a small buffer for fees or price movement can make the experience smoother. Next, find an ETF. You can do this in two easy ways. Use the search bar at the top and type the ETF name or ticker like VOO or SPI, or browse by tapping Markets and then ETFs. Browsing can be helpful if you're exploring ideas, while the search bar is perfect when you already know what you want. Now choose your ETF. Tap into the one that interests you and take a moment to review its key details. Look at the current price and the price chart to understand recent movement. Open the Holdings section to see which stocks sit inside the fund and review its performance over different timeframes. Popular choices include broad market S&P 500 ETFs that track big U.S. companies, as well as sector ETFs focused on areas like technology or energy. Remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, so use this page to form a balanced view. When you're ready, tap Trade and select Buy. This brings up your order ticket. Enter your order details. Choose how many shares you want, or enter the dollar amount if you prefer buying by value. Then pick your order type. A market order buys instantly at the best available price when the market is open. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay, which can help you control your entry. Since ETFs trade like stocks on Moomoo, you'll see familiar fields such as quantity, price, and time in force. Take a quick look at the bid and ask to understand current pricing before you proceed. Finally, confirm your order, review everything, tap Buy, and you're done. Your order will execute based on the type you chose, and you can view it in your positions once it fills. That's all it takes to buy an ETF on Moomoo.